Hello and welcome back to the Profit Boosting Bootcamp Module 2, the Super Affiliate Network. I'm Adam Shelton. Welcome to this YouTube channel. If you haven't yet, like, comment, and subscribe to this channel right now. Now in Module 1, what I was talking about just yesterday, or the other day, where we're talking about how to unlock the millionaire within, reprogramming your subconscious mind so you can go ahead and achieve greatness in your life. Now module 2, and don't forget, right below the video, if you haven't yet, click on the link below so you can sign up. You'll put your email address in, and then you'll watch a short video. When you redirect it to that next page, and then you sign up. Then after that, you'll be communicating with your advisor, and your advisor will basically walk you through step by step with the Profit Boosting Bootcamp with the Super Affiliate Network. So in module 1, we talked about finding your why and reprogramming your subconscious mind, that millionaire within you, I should say. And then here, laying the foundation, part 2, module 2, you'll discover the single greatest opportunity on planet Earth in the most luxurious industry in the world. So you want to pay attention to this video right here. Success in this business, work and results will vary. So this video lays the foundation of the single greatest opportunity on planet Earth. So you definitely want to find out what that's all about as well. And then the 5 keys that allow you to leverage both in order to create success online really fast. So the greatest opportunity on planet Earth, this video right here explains it.
A variety of other factors, but I really want to illustrate the power to you of the machine that you have in front of you right now with the internet. Furthermore, when you position yourself correctly,
and that is the great Misha Wilson, the CEO of the Super Affiliate Network. That's his voice that's talking about the video of the greatest opportunity on planet Earth, talking about repositioning or positioning yourself correctly in your own online business. You definitely want to watch this video as well. And if you haven't yet before, click on the link right below this video. It's in the description box that says signing up online business, Super Affiliate Network. Click on that link and you get started with this beautiful program, especially going into the new year. You need something that you can have and hold, and you can have the opportunity to have success. So you don't want to waste any more time. I understand you made it to this long in this video. You're probably thinking, is this the right opportunity for me? Well, you're only gonna know that when you take an action, when you're trying, when suspend disbelief. Get to the greatest opportunity on the planet Earth. Exactly, this video here really changed my thinking when it comes to like opportunities, taking action, and having and wanting success. Let me show you one of the videos here. This is kind of success that I've had. I showed this in the other video. The results are not typical, but this is something that can happen to you. This happened to me in a short amount of time by working the system. Results are not typical, but this is what possible can happen with you going through the system and you having success as well. So I just want to show you exactly what that's all about as well. Now, really important, when you come to this page here, when you go through module 1 and then module 2, which we are right now, watch this video very correctly and very really closely. So this is about an hour-long video. If you need to watch it again, watch it again. Trust me, you definitely want to be able to comprehend exactly what's going on. It took me 3 times watching this video for me to really understand exactly what I need to do next. Now, after you watch that video, there is a homework assignment. Yes, it's a homework assignment, but it's the homework assignment that's going to help you grow and help you prosper. Now, when you click here, it says click here to read it. So you got to click there to read the homework assignment. And look at this. It says click the button below to see the average cost of starting a franchise model business. So you can see the average cost associated with starting a successful business. Now you need to click on there. I don't want to click there because I want you to go ahead and sign up for the program so you can see it for yourself. But I want to show you a sneak preview exactly what the back office of module 2 is. And check this out. When you go ahead and click there, watch the success story by Alice Reddy, and she was in the program and she was able to have success. Now, results are not typical, just like the information that says here, but she went through the program and she had success. I'm going to play a little bit of the student success story.
Hi, I'm Alice, and I just wanted to shoot a quick testimonial for Misha Wilson and the Super Affiliate Network. I joined just over a month ago, and I've had incredible results already. But before that, I was in online marketing for about a year, and I was really struggling. I had a lot of overwhelm and a real lack of direction with my marketing. I tried various forms of paid marketing and lost a lot of money, got into debt. Then I tried free marketing. That didn't work very well either. And it was just a very frustrating journey. But when I found the Super Affiliate Network and I started to go through the training in the back office, a lot of things became very clear to me. I started to realize what I'd been doing wrong.
That's a little bit about Alice Reddy. She's talking about her success within the program. It's a beautiful story. Definitely when you come here, watch the rest of this video. I just want to show you just a little bit about exactly what can happen when you're taking action within this program, especially Profit Boosting Bootcamp. I haven't seen too many programs that has a step-by-step process like the Super Affiliate Network, and what was entitled you in terms of directing you for step-by-step with the module training. You have testimonials, and you have somebody walking through each and every step of the program, especially with your advisor that you will be assigned to. So this is really, really impactful, and you really want to pay attention to this. I'm telling you, watch the success story again, and again, because it's really, really good. And especially, it's all about the greatest opportunity on the planet Earth. It's really about, really, really believe in yourself. And it's really about taking action on this type of training. Now, I want to play a little bit of this video. I want to play a little bit more of this because I want to just give you more belief and more, entitlement and more direction when you're taking action.
What I should have been doing instead. And as soon as I started implementing everything that I was learning, I immediately started getting results. And the other thing that's made a huge difference has been the one-on-one coaching. Anytime I get stuck or I need some help, I've got my personal coach who's there and available for me every day, and that has been priceless.
So there it is, more information about Alice Reddy, her testimony with the Super Affiliate Network. She went through the same bootcamp process that you're about to go through right now by clicking on the link below, signing up, getting started with this, and really going through this training step by step. Now, this is module 2 of the bootcamp training. This is like an overview. So I want you to go through the process, but I want to show you the back office. I wanted to show you underneath the hood, as they say, what's going to be happening when you're taking action. You're probably thinking, well, is this module for me? Where do I start? Like, what is module 1 is about? What is module 2 is about? I wanted to show you that this is a powerful training by clicking on the link below to get started. Don't forget that when you click on there, you add your email address and you watch a short video, and then you're signing up. My name is Adam Shelton. Thank you for watching this video. Like, comment, and subscribe to this channel for throughout this whole video series. I'll be back with the module 3, preview of exactly what's happening in the back office of the Profit Boosting Bootcamp of the Super Affiliate Network. Don't forget, click on the link below this video so you can go ahead and get signed up, and I'll see you on the next video.